It's the best office chair that money can buy. You can see I have a ton of phones over here. Turning it on and off with this is the most expensive thing. Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And for today's vlog, I'm going to give you a room tour of my work from home office here in where I live. So if that interests you, let's go. So this is the home office. This is where I work. This is where I type out and pound out all the articles that you guys see on the websites that I manage. This is where I've been shooting most of the vlogs in the last few days. This is where I'm doing most of my work from home duties in the company that I'm employed in. And this is where I watch a lot of Netflix. And for today's episode, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the different things that you guys can see in the office. It's messy, by the way, so apologies for that. But I'm super excited, super stoked to share this with you. And we'll kick things off with the lights, because the lighting situation here is what I'm happiest the most, because it can actually change depending on my mood. So I'll show you. All the lights that are in the room are actually from Philips. So this isn't sponsored, by the way, guys. I just bought all of the items myself. So the light bulbs that you see over there, the LED bars along the different sides of the room, and there's also like a lamp over there just behind or beneath the Funko Pops. So you can actually control the color as well as turning it on and off with the remote control, with the app that comes with Philips Hue. But it's not just the on and off that you can control, but it's also the colors. So for example, right now, I'm using the scenery Spring Blossom. That's why you're seeing shades of pink and white. But for example, if we switch it to Arctic Aurora, bam! So you're seeing more blues in different parts, and even the light bulbs from the top. And you can also control the intensity. So as you guys can see over there, so if you swipe it up or slide it down, it controls how intense the lighting situation is. So you can even make it Savannah Sunset. So you have shades of yellow and orange and some sort of like red color in different parts of the room. So again, guys, that's using the Philips Hue app and lighting system. If you want to buy any of the light bulbs or even the LED bars as well as the lamp over there at the Funko Pop station, I will put links down below on where you can buy it from Lazada. The great thing is Lazada is having their 6/6 bounce back sale. So now is actually one of the best times for you to complete or build your smart home / smart office setup. Apologies for all the cables. My next project is actually a cable management system, because as you guys can see, this will either result in a disaster, somebody trips over it, or it will just blow up with flames. So I'm going to fix that. So the next item I want to show you is this. This is the most expensive thing here in the office. That's actually the Herman Miller Eames or Ames. I don't know how you properly pronounce it. Ottoman with lounge chair with the Ottoman. So it is ridiculously comfortable, so much better than a Lazy Boy, because it doesn't get as warm as a Lazy Boy. The problem with the Lazy Boy is that if you lie down on it for a while, it actually becomes warm. So this one, I don't know how they built it. It's just an amazing chair, okay? And of course, we have the IKEA Virgil Abloh carpet over here. The one in green, it actually says wet grass. The chair is just covering it. This over here is the nano leaf. So you can actually change the color. You can set it to go with your music. Really depends on whatever your mood is. This one you can also buy from Lazada on sale. I'll put the link to this one down below. Over there is my anti-allergy machine. So to those who don't know, I have allergic rhinitis. So I have difficulty with dust, and my allergic reaction is usually I keep on sneezing. So ever since I bought this, life has been so much better. So if you want a Dyson Pure Cool Me, it's also going to be on big discount, up to 30% on Lazada on June 4 to 6. I'll put a link down below just in case you guys want one as well. Now this is my incredibly busy and messy workstation. So I'll start things off with the chair. This is the Herman Miller Aeron chair. So for me, in a sentence, it's the best office chair that money can buy. Everything from the support to the cushioning to how flexible it is to how much weight it can support. Yeah, this one is absolutely the best chair money can buy. If you guys are curious how much it costs, just Google it Yeah, just Google it. So anyway, we'll sit down on the chair. So this is our incredibly busy work desk. So I'm sorry, it's a mess. I just wanted to film it in its natural state and not clean it up for you guys. So as you can see, I have a ton of phones over here. Some of the smartphones I'm reviewing, some of the smartphones I own. But yeah, so I sometimes do tech reviews, and that's the reason why you guys see a bunch of smartphones here on top of my desk. And if we take a look back, that's the Bose Companion 5 speaker, one of the best desktop speakers in my opinion. Link to that again from Lazada will be down below. We have over here the Apple Magic Keyboard. We have my MacBook. The monitor of this one is busted. So the only way I can get this to work is if I connect it to an external monitor, which is this. This, by the way, is the best mouse money can buy. This is the Logitech MX3S, I think. So if you want this one, I'll also put a link down below. We have over here the best webcam, in my opinion, that you can buy, which is the Logitech Brio. So it's 4K, it has wide angle, it has HDR, and it is on big discount as well on Lazada 6.6. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. And what else? We have the AirPods Pro over here. Apple AirPods Pro works as a good microphone. And yeah, that's pretty much everything on the desk and a bunch of other messy stuff. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have 2 ongoing giveaways, and we will be drawing the winners this Saturday. We're giving away a Redmi Note 9 Pro, a really kick-ass smartphone, and we're also giving away the A6 Transformer Gel Light 5. Okay, so with that said, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, and then click the links in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. By the way, if ever I do get tempted to play games, I have the JBL Quantum 600 over here, which is an amazing headphones, gaming headset, has a microphone as well. And of course, we have my favorite toys. This is the 1:1 scale of the Infinity Gauntlet that Thanos wore. This is my Funko Pop collection. The entire Dragon Ball Funko Pop collection is here. At least all of the latest ones, until the latest one. So I have the most rare one, which is over there, which is the Planet Arlia Vegeta. That one sells for over $2,000 or 100,000 pesos just for that Funko Pop over there. This one is a clock that was gifted to me by my late friend Rabi of Above the Ankle. So he had this customized. So he had 721 in white, and then he put hashtag 721 build your dreams, which is my mantra. I never put new batteries in it ever since Rabi passed away. It's kind of like preserving, I don't know, the memory of him or preserving the time that I have with him. But this will always be in all homes, all workspaces that I will be in. One of my favorite things here in this room. I obviously skipped a couple of items, which I won't go through the length of discussing anymore, but I'd like to point them out. We have over there a ring light. That's what I use every time I shoot videos and I'm just sitting on my desk. We have, of course, all the sneakers that I have in this particular room, ranging from my designer wall. So the sneakers over there are mostly designer sneakers from Louis Vuitton or from Prada or whatever. And then we have the Yeezys over here and Off-Whites where the camera is positioned at. We have my New Balance sneakers over there in the glass wall. And we have the Ultra Boosts at the top and a bunch of office sneakers there on the brown cabinet. And that is a quick tour of my work from home office or Carlos man cave or Carlos room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I spent so much hard work, time and effort to be able to put all the items in this room together. And it kind of makes me sad, the idea of going back to a normal office every day and not being able to work in this, for me at least, like a dream space where I am at my most productive and I am at my most creative. And that, I think, is the most important thing when it comes to building your workspaces at home, because if you can create a space that can really inspire you to be at your best, to constantly think outside of the box, to constantly push yourself, to constantly get that energy to break through adversarial or bad challenges that come your way, then I think it's worth the investment. But again, you have to be practical about it. One of the best quotes I've ever heard was, you have to be smart about your money, before you become dumb about your money. So you have to learn how to manage money well, and make money work for you before you start spending money on dumb things. This is just a nice thing, a nice tip for you guys to take away. But anyway, that's actually it for my quick vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do check out the links of all the items that I mentioned down below. So if they're available, I'll link them down below for you. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.